During video editing, sometimes we may need to zoom this timeline so that it is very easy to edit to the correct point or correct position where we want to split or crop the image, videos or audio. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is one of the sample video which I already imported in my CapCut project. Now we want to make this timeline bigger. So to do this thing, there is a scroll bar, something like that. You can see this is actually slider. So we can click here and you can drag to the right side, and here you will see that it is increasing, and here we are seeing that from here to here this is only 1 second, this is 2 second, this is 3 second, and if we drag to the left side, see here it is coming like that. So if we do this thing, see from here to here it is 10 seconds only, and it is very difficult to cut like 2 second or 2.3 second like this. It's very difficult. Now what we can do, we can zoom it and then we can move this time this bar or this thing to the exact location where we want to cut or split the image or video or audio or to crop everything. So in this way we can easily zoom the timeline in CapCut for easy editing. And there is another option. Once you are done, then there are two other like icons are there. This is called zoom out. If we click here, it will be zoom out, and if there is another one next to it on the left side, zoom to fit. If we click here, it will be fitted on this timeline. And that's it. In this way we can easily zoom timeline in CapCut for easy editing, and these are the step by steps way to do that thing.